Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about partial derivatives. So now I want to show you how to answer. So let's say we have the formula in here. So if we do first derivative of this one, we need to do first derivative of b, and the value of b will change for t. So we have f of b minus, we do first derivative of a, and the value of a will change for t. Now we can apply the formula for this one and this one. For this one, we need to do first derivative of f with respect to s. So in this one, we need to do first derivative of s, and the value of s will change for t. Minus, we do first derivative of y, and the value of y will change for t. So because this is about first derivative of f with respect to s, so this one, that is about the constant. So you got 0. So this one we have number 1. So if we simplify and we just have only cosine e to the power of s. And the second one, we do the same technique, but this one for y. So this one we have number 1. This one you got 0. So we have negative cosine of e to the power of y. And that is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.